Hi guys, so today's a busy day. I have a lot to do. Right now I am at work, but I have some free time. So I have some free time, so I'm about to organize all my bills and due dates and everything. I'm about to get ready to order a couple of pieces for my house. I just ordered my TV console that's gonna go here. I just ordered the big tall mirror that's going to go in this corner. I just ordered a mirror that's going to go here, circle mirror. And I need to order my entryway table. I also need to go to the store today and get some paint for the walls. We're going to do gray. It's going to be a lot of painting. This is the dining room table. Now this plant is not going to stay there. This is just here because I didn't really have anywhere to put it. That's there. I need to order my dining room chairs. I'm thinking about putting a mirror there or a big picture or something. I'm not sure. I also want to put a light fixture in here, so we'll figure it out. Also, my realtor gave me money to buy a light fixture for my entryway. My couch is not going to be here until December 11th. It is November the 5th. Hi everyone. So I'm finally off work. It's about 4:45. I'm getting ready to go to the hair store to get me a couple of things. I need to go to Home Depot to get some paint samples, like colors that I want for my wall. I want like a gray. I want gray, especially in my living room and in my bedroom. And the entryway, those have to be gray. So I'm gonna go there. I might go to Home Depot first, hair store second. After that, it's one more place I gotta go. I think I low-key want to go to Walmart, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I need to go to my parents' house, go grab a whole bunch of clothes and stuff, and take it back to my house because I have to go through it and figure out what I'm wearing. I'm getting ready to go axe throwing tonight for Shanna's birthday. I'm kind of excited because I've never done it and I want to know what it's all about. So I'm going axe throwing. The outfit that I had planned to wear was like a sweatsuit, like a jogging suit and some Jordan 1s. However, it done got hot again. It was like 50, 45 degrees here in Florida, and now it's back up in the 70s. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear now. I gotta go here and figure that out. I don't know. I got a busy weekend. I got 2 boat rides to go on. I got like a brunch. I got a dinner, birthday dinner, and then the axe throwing. So I have from here to Sunday. It's gonna be a whole busy day, busy weekend. So I guess I don't know. I also decided to go ahead and look at some fans since I actually need like 2. I only want to put one in my living room and one in my bedroom, so I need to be looking at these. I think these are the colors that I want to stay around. These right here. I like that one. How do you choose? Look at all the pink. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I just left the hair store. I went to Mama's house and got all of this stuff. Look at my car, y'all. It is filled with shoe boxes. I'm about to go home, unload, take a shower, and get ready to go to the axe throwing thing. So I'll holla. The axe throwing place. Can you see what it says? Says axe throwing.
You lean back fully behind you, bring your body forward, let go, just like that.
Okay, This mine? Yes. Oh, girl. down with it. My sister will.
Hi guys, so I just got to my mom's. I just put a load of clothes in the washer. I got one more load, a white load. It's a really small load. And then I just came from the hair store to get me some press-ons for a dinner tonight. I'm going to Shanna's birthday dinner. Storm was fun last night, so tonight we're going to an upscale restaurant in our city. Everybody's wearing black and we're in this little cute clear room, and can't wait for that. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to go, but I wanted to show you all a full body little look here. Ooh, my mirror's so dirty. You can't even tell what I got on, child. My waist is looking snatched. Okay, booty popping. Shoes. It's an all black affair. So we went all black from head to toe. Anyway, about to go. I don't think I'm gonna take my camera in the restaurant because it's a little, you know, it's high end. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably just you know, vlog on my phone and then show the footage or whatever. So I'll holla. Happy birthday to Shanna. Happy birthday to you. I'm ready to go on the boat. I'm looking stupid today. Jess is here waiting on me. We're late, so we have to go. Look at this room. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I gotta go. Bye. So little. I know, right? So small. That's my sis.
You see Slim Thick? Slim Thick.
Can I zoom in?
That thing goes down.
While you're on the boat, please let us know. We're happy to accommodate. First things first, if you need a life jacket, they're in the seats up forward where those ladies are sitting on. There's 18 adult life jackets and a couple of kid life.
It's enough if you go.
AJ not taking a shot?
AJ, take a half a shot. I got so many videos of Jazz just like this.
I know.
So many. It's the holder. It's so cute for the winter.
So cute.
Hi you guys, so I just got back from the boat ride, and me and my lying sister, well, two of us wanted to go to the mall and get some candles. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and my lying sister AJ actually got me a candle. That was so nice of her. And I went home to change real quick, and now I got to go to the other boat. So I'm on the way to, I actually have to go get cash for this boat, $65 cash. And then I have to go to my mom's house. They're actually waiting on me, and it is 4:29. They're actually early. for once in their lives. And so that's what I'm gonna do now. And I guess I'll just see y'all on the boat. Fall off this thing. Log in from your phone, be like, this junk is loud. What is that so loud?
Congratulations, happy birthday, happy retirement. Where's she at? Where's she go? There she is. Hey! Congratulations. Thank you. You got a good.
Like a proud
Happy birthday to you. I want to do it one more time. Your face is so pretty. Hi you guys, so I am about to go to IKEA and pick up my order. It is Sunday morning. I'm waiting on my mom. I'm waiting on my mom to get here. So she's coming in my dad's truck so we can put everything on the back. And when I come home, I got to clean. Look at all this. I have to go to a brunch later on today at like 12:30, so still have a full day, but the brunch is over at 3:30 and I plan on coming home, organizing my house, and then going to sleep because I need some rest. So I guess I'll see y'all at IKEA. Somehow we end up at Ross, of course. Never fails. So I found the entryway mirror and it's only $25. The one that I was going to order from Wayfair was like almost $90. So this one is actually cuter than the one from Wayfair. And it's cheaper.
You gotta lift it a little bit first.
Should I go back around?
No, you gotta lift it from here first, then go back. But I'm about to stand here to keep it from going forward.
This one will look light.
How you get it to focus sometimes?
Is it blurry?
We locked up and was able to slide it on in like that.
What are you doing that? It's a bit on his truck, but I don't think it can fit in yours. Alright, well.
Yeah, with the seats down there, well, look what Jayla Bed did, remember? Jayla Bed was way thick.
Back on the boat.
Mirror does not fit.
Help me pull that back.
You know how to do this? You got it. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the brunch. I didn't have anything to wear, so I put on some jeans. As you can see in my mirror that I just got from IKEA, I just got on jeans and some pumps and a wig, child. Tiana just left. She came over here to get dressed. And now we're gonna go to the brunch. I'll see y'all there. Bye. Yeah, so I just got back from the brunch and it was so cute and fun. Now I'm back home and I have to organize my house. I can't really do much with my clothes because my drawers and my chest and nightstands aren't here. But and my closet, like all of my clothes are still hanging at my mom's house. My whole closet is still over there. The only thing that's really all here is all my shoes. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been ripping and running all weekend. All I want to do right now is take my wig off and lay in my bed, eat some food, and watch Disney Plus. Now, honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this tonight. I might organize my shoes tonight. Might, keyword. I don't think I'm gonna do it, y'all. So I'll just close this vlog out here this weekend. Well, this week's vlog. I'll just close this week's vlog out here because honestly, I'm not gonna clean up tonight. I just can't. I cannot. It is about 5. I don't know what time it is. 6. All I'm gonna do is get into bed and go and relax. Like, relax. I can't. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching the vlog. If y'all enjoyed it, make sure y'all hit the like button and subscribe because there's a lot more stuff coming. I don't think I'm gonna do a house tour. If so, I don't know. Let me know. Maybe I should. Maybe not. I think I'm gonna do more of a master bedroom tour because honestly, I want people to know what my house look like. To be honest. So I think that's it. But I'll holla at y'all.